Hey, what's up, boys? This is your boy Costa in here. Today I'm going to show you 3 things that only hot guys do. Watch this video, I'm about to turn you into a big boy. Today I'm going to show you 3 things, bro. Just 3 things that only hot guys do. Only hot guys do. Number 1, they look on point. No? Always look on point. No? Elevate your style, bro. In order to get all those girls, first you have to
First make a first impression, you
break the barriers between you and her. You look on point. It doesn't matter how prayerful or how wealthy you are. The first thing with the girls see, bro, it's your style, bro. That's how they rate you. Your style, if you're a 6, a 9, a 5, a 10, it's your style, bro. And I'm going to give you a bonus tip on that one. Make sure that your style is on point, bro. Make sure that your style is on point. Remember, fake that shit's hot. Means you have to elevate your confidence, bro. Elevate your style, bro. Just look at how confident this guy is. He's looking direct into the lady's eye, bro. Directly into the lady's eyes, bro. And he's even stretching out his hand towards her shoulder, bro. That's confidence, though. Confidence, bro. Number 2, hot guys are not payers, bro. Hot guys, they always say no. You hear what I'm saying? Hot guys, they always say no. They're not payers. No. Check this. They're not payers, bro. Hot guys, they always say no. Hey, baby, can you do
Please for me. No.
Hey, baby, can you drive me? She knows how to drive, but she wants me to drive her. No. Hot guys always say no. They
have the abundance mindset, abundance mindset.
Abundance mindset. He doesn't care whether you go, whether you stay. He has got an abundance mindset, bro. That's the mind you should have. You want to be a hot guy, want to be a magnet of hot ladies. Make sure that you have got an abundance mindset. Simple as that. Abundance mindset. That's only. Abundance mindset. Only. Nothing more. Abundance mindset. Don't have that a mind of insufficiency, mind of lack. No, that's not how a hot guys operate. They operate on abundance mindset. That's why they always say no. Even successful people today, they always say no. They had to say no to some other things so that they can go for that purpose. The moment you say no, there's more time for you for that purpose, bro. The moment you say no, your goals becomes easy to achieve, just by saying no. N-O, no. Only. N-O, no. Only. There's no other secret, bro. Just say no. No, only, no. The moment you say no, you go for that purpose. The moment you say no, you go for the sky becomes the limit, because you say no. There's plenty much time for you, bro, because of only 2 letters. No. Those words are too powerful, bro. No. It's too powerful. Those letters are too powerful. No.
99% of guys can't say
no. Hey, babe, can you do this? No, don't worry. No, move this. No, don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, you say you need something. Oh, no, don't worry, I'll take it. No. You degrading your style, bro, demolishing your style, demolishing each and everything which you have worked for. Your style, bro, that if you, instead of her rating you as a 10, right, or rating you as a 9, she now rates you as a 4. Why? You always ready to move mountains for her. You're too much of a princess, bro. 2 weeks down the line, she gonna leave you. Why? You're too much of a princess. She has got too much princesses, bro. You get what I'm saying? She has got too much princesses out there. Out there. Too much. Number 3. No. 3. Hot guys master the art of dominance. No. Dominance, bro. Wherever you go. Dominance, bro. Dominance. Wherever you go. Dominance, you know. This is so important, you know. Walk into anywhere you walk into. Anywhere you walk into. This is what you're gonna do, right? Look each and everyone in the eyes, bro. Look each and everyone in the eyes. That's what you want to do. Everyone, bro. Everyone. Look each and everyone in the eyes. Each and everyone in the eyes, bro. Yeah, that's how the hot guys operate. No, they're not submissive. No, never. They're not submissive. Never. They're not submissive. They offers. Never be submissive if you're an alpha. Never. Never. Wherever you go, bro, you command respect. No? How do you do that? By the way you walk, the way you dress. You dress like a billboard, Nike, Adidas all over. Shows that you insecure, bro. You insecure. That's why you be amazed to see all the old ladies. You go for those guys just wearing simple, you know, wearing simple. And you wonder, oh, I'm putting on the latest Gucci. But why is she going for her? She doesn't even see me. Why? It's the way you walk, the way you carry yourself, bro.
That's it.
For me today, thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for watching this video.